Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 21st, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Saturday, February 22nd and Sunday, February 23rd is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Please come out and watch Miss Fisher, Miss Martin, Miss Boodoo, and Dr. Barrett create amazing maritime chalk creations on the streets of Lake Worth. Monday, February 24th begins our Leukemia and Lymphoma fundraiser, Pennies for Pasta. Elementary students can fill their take-home box with spare change to help find a cure for these diseases. The fundraiser lasts 2 weeks. The class who raises the most money will receive a pasta, salad, and breadsticks lunch from the Olive Garden. February 26th is International Pink Shirt Day. This day encourages everyone to lift each other up and practice kindness. Please have your student in grades K to 12 wear a pink shirt on this day to support kindness. On February 27th, we will have our Atlantis Skateway Family Night. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Skate night is from 6 o'clock p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Skating is $7 cash per person, skating or not, and that includes admission and skates. Please come join in on the fun with your whole family. The day after skate night, February 28th, is a teacher work day. No school for students. Saturday, February 29th is our next open house. 10 o'clock at the elementary school, 11 o'clock a.m. at the secondary school. This is a great opportunity to show incoming kindergartners the school, as well as fifth graders who can see everything the middle school has to offer. There will also be a presentation by the Navy Sea Cadets. The Sea Cadet program is offered for students in grades 5 to 12. Please come to the secondary open house at 11 o'clock a.m. if your student is interested in this program. March 17th is primary day, and there's no school for students. Spring break is March 21st through March 29th. March 30th is now a regular school day. It is no longer a day off. Thursday, April 30th, 5:30 is kindergarten roundup. If you have an incoming kindergartner, this is an orientation for you and your students. Here's the events and activities update. Last week, our elementary students participated in McTeacher Night fundraiser at the Lantana McDonald's. Here are some pictures of the event. Nurse Bobby conducted a lesson with kindergarten on preventing germs and the proper way to wash your hands. Here are some pictures. Here's our new elementary security officer, Officer Joe.
Hello parents, my name is Joseph Alvarado and I am PBMA's new Safe School Officer. I'll be patrolling the school and the hallways, ensuring your child's safety and security. You'll be seeing me around drop-off and pick-up time. Feel free to say hello or ask me any questions. Let's have a great rest of the year.
Dr. Abados wants to tell us about the secondary Black History Month door decorations.
Hi, my name is Elani Lawrence. I'm in 6th grade, and this door is made to connect to Black history.
My name is Zoe, and I'm in 6th grade, and this is the Black History door for Fancies for Black History. We had done a girl that is touching roses, and we made her dress fluffy, like a poof out, and we gave her a little design for each thing. She has a ring, and she has chokers. She has poofy hair, and that's really about what we really did.
Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm in 6th grade, and this is the door that I made. It's Black Girl Magic, and we decided to do like a wand for the magic, and her shirt has the words of Black Girl Magic.
Our 5th graders visited the secondary school to see what makes our middle school fun and exciting. They participated in a science lab, PE class, and saw a presentation by the Sea Cadets. If your high school student needs community service, they can volunteer at the elementary school aftercare program. Please contact me if your student is interested. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout the school year. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.